This 5-line file stopped 200 broken commits from ever reaching my repo. It's a git pre-commit hook, and almost nobody sets one up. You don't need a fancy tool. Any executable script in .git/hook/precommit runs automatically before every single commit. Try to commit broken code now, and Git just refuses. No review needed. No, oops, I forgot to test it. Code review is a safety net for logic, not a linter for lazy commits. The hook should catch that first. Are you validating anything before your commits even happen, or just hoping CI catches it later? This exact join went from 40 seconds to 200 milliseconds, and I didn't rewrite a single line of SQL, I just changed the join strategy. Nested loop joins look fine on small tables, but they scale terribly. The planner loops row by row through the smaller table for every single row in the bigger one. A hash join builds one hash table from the smaller side, then scans the big table once. That's why it crushes nested loops on large joins. If your planner picks nested loop on huge tables, it's usually bad stats or a missing index. Bump work_mem or force it and watch your query fly. Have you ever caught your database silently choosing the wrong join and slowing everything down? Tell me what plan you found in the comments. This query took 4.2 seconds. I changed one line, 0 schema changes, and it dropped to 8 milliseconds. The second you wrap a column in a function, Postgres can't use the index on it anymore. It has to scan every single row and evaluate the function each time. The fix is simple: never transform the column, transform the value instead. A plain range comparison keeps the index searchable. Most engineers write functions on columns without thinking twice, and their indexes just sit there unused. Go check your slowest query right now. What's wrapping your where clause? This one command auto-scaled my pods from 2 to 20 during a traffic spike, and I didn't touch a thing. Most engineers manually bump replica counts and call it scaling. That's not scaling, that's babysitting. HPA reads CPU or custom metrics from metric server and adjusts replica count automatically every 15 seconds. No metric server means no auto-scaling. That's the #1 reason HPA silently does nothing. Are you still scaling pods by hand? Tell me below. I switched one container from bridge to host networking and cut round-trip latency in half, 0 code changes. Bridge networking routes every packet through NAT and a virtual Ethernet pair, and almost nobody questions that overhead. Host networking skips all that by sharing the host's network stack directly, but you give up port isolation between containers. For high-throughput services, that trade-off is usually worth it. Are you still defaulting to bridge for everything? Tell me why in the comments. Last week a routine node upgrade took down half our pods at once, all because nobody set a pod disruption budget. A PDB tells Kubernetes the minimum number of pods that must stay alive during voluntary disruptions, like drains, upgrades, or autoscaler scale-downs. Without it, a single kubectl drain can legally evict every replica at the same time, even if your deployment claims 0 downtime. That error is a good thing. It's Kubernetes protecting you from yourself. Do you have PDBs on your critical services, or are you one node drain away from an outage? Tell me in the comments. This table has 1,000 rows, but count, email, just returns 750, and that's not a bug. Aggregate functions like count, sum, and avg silently skip null values, every single one except count, asterisk. If you want nulls treated as 0 instead of skipped, you have to say so explicitly. Most engineers find this out in production when the dashboard numbers just don't add up. Have you ever gotten burned by a null in an aggregate? Tell me below.